Good morning everyone. Welcome to Saujanya classes. Today we are going to discuss a topic called lexical analysis in the compiler design. In the compiler design, lexical analysis is a first phase of compilation. So we'll see in a detail what is meant by lexical analysis in this video. Okay. First one, lexical analysis is a process of converting a sequence of characters from source program into a sequence of tokens. So what is the role of the lexical analysis? Means it is a process for converting all the sequence of characters which are taken from the input program, that is source program. That complete sequence of characters will be converted into sequence of tokens. Means source code, the input source code will be divided them into sequence of tokens. So in the lexical phase we are going to take the input as an source program, and in the lexical analysis phase we are converting that sequence of tokens into sequence of characters into sequence of tokens. So lexical analysis is also called as, we can call them as lexemes, or we can call it as tokenizer or scanner. Why we are calling it as a scanner? Means lexical phase, it will scan each and every character in the input string. That is the reason we are calling the lexical analysis phase as scanner, as well as whatever the tokens we are dividing from the lexical analysis phase, that tokens, conversion of tokens, will it calling it as tokenization, or we can call it as tokenizer also. Next, lexemes means the lexical analysis phase is generating the tokens as an output. The tokens is also called as lexemes. So lexical analysis phase is also called as lexemes, tokenizer and scanner. Next we are seeing the diagrammatic representation for the lexical analyzer phase. First we'll take the input as a source program. Then in the source program we are going to read each and every character in the source program. Then after reading the characters, we are giving it to the lexical analyzer. What the lexical analyzer will do, it will generate the lexemes, and that lexemes in the form of tokens we are giving it to the second phase in the compilation, that is the syntax analyzer. Next what happens, this is a flow how the process will be taken. Means taking the input from the source program, reading that characters in the input string, then we are giving it to the lexical analyzer. Lexical analyzer is generating the lexemes as a tokens, and it will give it to the syntax analyzer. That is the second phase of compilation. What the syntax analyzer will do, next it will ask for the tokens whenever the tokens are lost or duplicate, any other reasons, then syntax analyzer will ask the lexical analyzer for the tokens which are duplicate or which are lost in the analyzer. Next, what the lexical analyzer will do means, it is a backward pushback process where if you want to read the extra characters again from the source program, then we will read from the lexical analyzer. So that's why we have written pushback extra characters. So see the representation of the arrow here. So in this, input will be moved like this to lexical analysis phase. Next, if lexical analyzer want any other information from the source program, then it will ask a pushback, and it will ask for extra characters from the input string. Okay, this is the diagrammatic representation of the lexical analysis. So next, lexical analysis token is a sequence of characters that can be treated as a unit in the program of programming languages. It is a sequence. Lexical token is indicating the sequence of characters. Why? Because token itself contains the sequence of characters. Okay. Next, for example, here I have given 3 examples, that is type token. Type token is represent. Type means what is the ID number, what is the numbers and real numbers, whatever the numbers are there, types, that can be treated as type token. Next, if you are having any punctuations in the token, then we can write the void, return. So all the data types or keywords we can insert in the punctuation tokens. Next, alphabetical tokens. In the alphabetical tokens, we can have the keywords, identifiers, operators, arithmetic operators, relational, whatever the operators are there, that comes under alphabetical tokens. Okay. So this is a small introduction about the lexical analysis. Okay. Thank you.